Isa deh. Isa rin sa bataya kita.
Okay. Kishore sir, what she is translating is
Yes,
correct only, right?
absolutely correct, sir.
I don't know what she is translating. Thank you, Bobby. Okay. So we are here for an opportunity to uplift people, common people, ordinary people, not only in Longstown, all across India. I would like to develop people. We would like to develop people. That's the reason we are here today.
Di kajingwan jong isa ni kalong ba, igwa ba, kinu manu ki ordinary people, banlong ki ba, extraordinary mo, kumanong na ba, what kitu kitu bang nang bang start kila kan ban kamay limba kani ka business.
Okay. So there is a program. There is a program. Okay. This is not a product. This is a program running by Futureverse. This is called Decode.me. Decode me. That is the project what we are doing here.
Di kani ka project ka bawang ra limba ka Futureverse ka bang iong kataka decode program. Kamot ba? Bapin decode elade. Lani ba pintip siya pang jog piken nadu piken du kecak. Kumnong intip limba kani ka program.
Okay. All right. Decode.me is a program connected with your genetics, connected with your, diseases. So you can decode your body. So you will understand what is your body all about. Okay. Let's say I'll tell you one example. We have, how many of you are using mobile phones here?
Rakti, papunod mobile.
Bapenan ka mobile, rakti bapenan ka mobile bara.
So when you are using mobile phone, there is a user manual, correct? And when you are buying a TV, you will get a user manual. When you are buying anything at home, you will get a user manual.
Kamot ba, lada pitin mobile, kadang ka tu ka manual babatay sa pang mobile, dira. Da pitin ka fridge. Kadang ka manual nang tu babatay ba haple kumta ya ka fridge on kumta o switch lock kumta dengam. Teka man habang itin ka no kanuro, ngidon met ka manual deh man hikay ya pi.
Okay. So we are all human beings, correct? Hello.
Ngidon ki beriau ya?
Oh, yes.
Bias deh.
Do you have a user manual?
Pidan ka manual ya lade. Pidan ka batok sa pang jong pipat ka manual
We
lagi.
born in this world and we don't get any user manual. We don't know what to eat correctly. We don't know what to take, what medicine we have to take. We don't know how to exercise. We don't know what all we have to do with our human body. Correct?
Kamot nila kaya ni hakini ka pertay, tang bapat, ngintip ka ay bangin bam, kay bangin le ki exercise, kay kijing bam ki balong bangin bam, kay ka bapim long ban bam, ngintip din ang melody, ni syukha ng to.
Do you agree with me? Yes?
Yes.
Decode.me will give you a user manual for your body. And what is the advantage? Because of this user manual, if we are living with that, we are changing our lifestyle, you can live more than 100 years.
Kamot ba, link ba ka decode.me, kamot sila banyo ka, manual yala di, fintip kan, kay ka bam, ka ba piniban bam, bat kay ka ba piniban bam, bat nafla tip ya kata ka manual, kamot pinput, ya kay ka ba ka tu ka, manual ka kren, kamot sila bangyem, hado she's pas nemru, henry pat, kay ka ba ja kalong ba, sipo mentada pila poy ha kay ka ba, henday post nemru, pilang kum ba pinangiem ha kapor badang sa post nem, hado pimso tenang kalong kumta. At the age of 90 years, Henry Philip tumba dang suppose na melody.
Okay, so in Japan, people are living more than 120 years. Okay, if somebody is dying at the age of 82, they will say that that child died.
Te hapo Japan, kidan kibri kibayam hado she's pa arpos nemru. Mo she's pa arpo. Henry la dan penuh bayap haga age kepada prapo, kepada haga snem kepada prapo nemru. Kiong ba uti kena kubayam. Perkat uti yau kena yau berapa prapo nem. Kiong kena rin.
So the same way, in India, people are becoming old after the age of 40. There is no energy for them. After the age of 50, they are in the bed. and they are having a lot of lifestyle diseases. They have sugar, they have diabetes, they have cancer, they have stroke, they have hypertension, and they are taking a lot of medicine in the morning, and they are not energetic as for now.
Te isar yong ba hapo India pat ke iga baja kalong ba tang hagapor ke age South Coast namru bun kibreu niyem dagaba ni dawai diabetes ni dawai BP ni daki dawai deh te kamon ngim don bor ngan energy hadu kata taru deh ya te na kata ka daw long ba lingba ka dikut fila ken ban ya da ya ladi ya.
You getting my point? You are able to understand, right?
Yes.
He's telling the right thing, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, correct. So, at the age of 90 also, you can play with your grandchildren, a lot of energy, and after 100 years, you can run a marathon, maybe 10 kilometers running and playing with your grandchildren. It is possible with the program what we are just started in India.
Di isari ong ba perkat mo ki hadu ka age ko ba kandai po mo kamot lingba kani ka program dikod hila ban let mare sawan ile kai biang baki grandchildren ki jong pi ma kun ksiu ki jong pi ken lingba ka dikod.
Okay. So you have a chance to live more than 100 years. What
Don
will be?
kalat kelenci ba ka im ka no
100 years.
she's past now. Tingin
Okay.
kapti kanya kata alis.
For that, what all you require? You have to be healthy and you should have money. These are the two things required, correct? Then you will be happy that we are very healthy, we don't have any disease, and we have got a lot of money also, so that you are going to be more than 100 years, okay?
Tapi im she's past now. Henry still dan atli pat ki bang ihaban le kalau ba ihaban long ki brio ki ba syad baklan bat ki babiang kapisa de Henry im she's past now klem ka ting ko ting kia bat ki kapisa nim long ki brio ki ba kemen de nya.
Okay, my question now, how many of you want to live more than 100 years with a lot of money and with a lot of health and energy?
Mano ba kwa ban im she's past now. Naga babilong healthy bat yo pisa dan pisa shibon mo. Prakti ki ba kwa im she's past now.
So, we are starting the journey with future verse, decoding your body, getting the user manual, and there is a possibility you can live more than 100 years. Okay.
Teling ba kani ka dikod.me kamon ba kadon kalat kalenci yang ni ka bangila bat im bat katu ka manual ba ngai mos dapat tip yala de kon ba kay bombam kamon ba hilakin bat im she's past na mo kay.
This is by World Health Organization and Human Development Index report by 2011. People in 1960, okay, in 1960, they will die at the age of 40 and over. 40 was considered as an old age. But today, in India, average lifespan is 76 years today, in 2025.
Kakum ka World Health Organization Human Development Index ki ong ba kile ka research arja karwe kate ka research pa arja karwe mo ki ong house name ka nice pa ang ho ki brio ki lapan im tam hadu ka age ka ba sa house name Henry pa katang ni ki mo dang ya ki technology ki ba per ka life expectancy jung ki brio lane ka jing im slam jung ki brio house name arjar arpo kala poi jaduki nyopo hadu nyopusan nyopudrus nap kibruki im da kabalong healthy.
All right. So there are two options for you. One option, live long and die short. Live long means you don't have any diseases. You are playing with your grandson or granddaughter, going out, and you are energetic. That is the first option for you. Second option, you are living short, means every day you have to check your blood sugar level. You have to take a lot of medicines. You don't have energy to go to anywhere. At the age of 40 itself, you are feeling tired. And when you are coming to a hall for a presentation, you are sleeping inside the hall. Okay? So you don't have energy. Live short and die long. Because die long means at the age of 40 itself. Some people are getting at the age of 30 itself. They are getting some diseases and they are going somewhere, going to hospitals. They are spending money. India government is giving 4% of the GDP for the healthcare. But you have to be a patient for getting that benefit. Before that, you cannot get that money. Please.
Okay. Te minta kadon atli ki choice lane atli kita ki bangila mani magajingim kabaman kasima. Kay ka choice bani kong kalong ba fin live long die short. Kamot ba PM slam da kabalong healthy. Kamot undan kap dawai undan kami eh. Andai poriak tingyak bimo kata tenum lah berlat. Andai pat kadon kami ka option pat ka ba beri live short die long. Kamot ba ni slam habnya. Tangba ni empat tang kinget balai namar ba haga h ka ba lipo la ne sau ko ni layo ki jing stam per dei ngado ki sini ki bp ni ladi kita wai ni slam pen tangba pimdan energy ka dale ni style modle tingteng amare sa hospital dei tinalan kataru ka government of India ka ai ni 100% ka GDP kemut ba ni smart card dei na teng ni barang idan dei smart card hiong jingiran na smart card Tamba, banyak jingira mo smart card hadap no. Hapang siya mo yung style trial saya kata, kelapak dan bayo. Dan yang tinggi susuhi baka sarkat jingira. Tamba, hapan long, kumriyo ng pang to hospital dan pinyo jingira pen.
Alright. Okay. Next. Okay. So, as per World Health Organization, for being healthy, there are 4 things. What are the 4 things? One is you should get good food. Good food means what? Good food means carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients. That is what? Not only rice, okay? Not only rice and pork, okay? You have to get healthy food. So that all the cells will be active. Second is you have to do your regular exercise, walking, jogging, at least for 1 hour every day. So that your cells are going to be active, the muscles are going to be active. Next, very important, you have to sleep minimum to minimum. Nowadays, previously it was 6 hours, now it has been increased to 8 hours. Why? Because our hormones, our dead cells removal, everything is happening during sleeping time. So you should get a very good sound sleep in the night. Nowadays, people are watching all this Instagram, Facebook, they are not sleeping at all. All night they are awake. They are watching something. And actually, there is no hormone creating in your body from your brain because during night time, melatonin has to be produced, which is not producing because you are always watching light. When it is dark only, the melatonin will produce so that you can get the sleep.